Good morning, friends. Let's start with the new topic, that is Energy Conservation Act 2001 and its features. Energy Conservation Act 2001 and its features. Government decided to participate in a energy conservation campaign. So government provide Act 2001 for the energy conservation. First of all, what is the policy framework in this Act? Policy framework. How the policy is framed in this Act, that is Act 2001. This question will ask in your examination, that is explain the Energy Conservation Act 2001. See here, with a background of high energy saving potential and its benefits, bridging the gap between demand and supply, reducing environmental emission through energy saving, and effectively overcome its barrier, right? The government of India has enacted the Energy Conservation Act 2001. Act provides much needed legal framework and institutional arrangement for the embark on the energy efficiency drive, right? Under this provision, the BEE has established, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, right? Under this act, this institute will acted or established from 1st March 2002, right? See, by merging Energy Management Center of Ministry of Power, under this ministry, this bureau is established. The bureau would be responsible for implementation of policy, program, and coordination of implementation of energy conservation activities. Important features of this Energy Conservation Act: first, standards and labeling. It is very important. Standard and labeling. Have you seen on your refrigerator, AC, there is a star labeling, right? 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. That star means there are two types of stars. One is there are two types of labeling. One is the small and another one is big, right? Big labeling, right? This has decided by this act, Energy Conservation Act 2001. That is this is a labeling, standards and labeling is energy efficiency to improve the energy conservation. When in place, would ensure that only energy efficient equipment and appliances would be made available to the consumer, right? The main provision of this Energy Conservation Act of standard and labeling, main provision क्या है इसमें? First, evolve minimum energy consumption and performance standard for notified equipment, right? नेक्स्ट, इसमें क्या होता है? prohibit manufacture, sales and import of such equipment which does not conform to the standards, right? इसमें अलाउ नहीं किया जाता कोई जो अभी सपोज एक फ्रिज की कंपनी है, वो फ्रिज बना रही है, लेकिन उन एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन एक्ट के अनुसार वो काम नहीं करती, वो उतना एनर्जी सेव नहीं करती, तो वो इक्विपमेंट हम मार्केट में, ये गवर्नमेंट मार्केट में नहीं आने देता है, राइट? प्रोहिबिट मैन्युफैक्चर, सेल्स एंड इंपोर्ट ऑफ सच इक्विपमेंट. थर्ड है इंट्रोड्यूस मैंडेटरी लेबलिंग स्कीम फॉर नोटिफाइड इक्विपमेंट अप्लायंस to enable consumer to make informed choice. Next, disseminate information on the benefits to the consumer. It is very necessary and it is provision by the this Act 2001, right? Designated consumers, right? The main provision of Energy Conservation Act on the designated consumer are: first, the government would notify energy intensive industries and other establishment as designated consumer. Schedule 2, the act provides list of design consumers which covered basically energy intensive industries, railways, port trust, transport sector, power station, transmission and distribution companies are commercial labelings and establishment. The designated consumer to get an energy audit conducted by an accredited energy auditor, right? Energy managers will prescribe qualification are required to be appointed or designated by the design consumers or by the designated consumers. Designated consumers would comply with norms and standards of energy consumptions as prescribed by the central government, right? So next provision in this act, we have to audit the energy conservation or energy by the certified person, that is called as energy auditor. It is compulsory in each company or manufacturing institute, right? See here, certificate of energy managers and accreditation of energy auditing firms, right? How will get certificate? What is the criteria? The main activities in this regard as explained in the act are: a person professionally qualified energy manager and auditors with expertise in policy analysis, project management, financing and implementation of energy efficiency projects. See here, certification and accreditation program by BEE to design training modules and conduct national level examination for the certificate and energy managers, energy auditors. Next, energy conservation billing codes. It is also important. The main provision, it is the main provision in the Energy Conservation Act, right? Energy conservation building codes, right? The BEE would prepare guidelines for energy conservation building codes, right? That is, what is BEE? Bureau of Energy Efficiency, right? That and this will provide guidelines for the energy conservation building code, that is ECBC. These would be notified to suit local climate conditions or other compelling factors by the respective states for commercial buildings erected after the rules relating to energy conservation building codes have been notified, right? In addition, the buildings should have to connected load of 50 kilowatt or contract demand of 60 kVA and above are intended to be used for commercial purpose, right? And next point for energy conservation building codes, it is very important. That is, energy audit specify designated commercial building consumers would also prescribe, right? So next point in this is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. This is established by under the Act of Energy Conservation right. The BEE is agency of the government of India, right? It is agency under the Ministry of Power, under the in March 2002, under the provision of Nation Energy Conservation Act 2001. The agency function is develop program which will increase the conservation and efficiency use of energy in the India. The government has proposed to make it mandatory for certain appliances in India to have rating by the BEE starting in January 2010. The mission of BEE is to institutionalize energy efficiency services, enable delivery mechanism in the country, and provide leadership to energy efficiency in all sectors of the country. The primary objective would be to reduce energy intensity in the economy. See, in this, the board objective of BEE objective of BEE. See here, first, what is the BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, right? The main target of this institute is conserve more amount of energy in the nation, right? It is for the energy security. So to exert leadership and provide policy recommendation and direction to national energy conservation of and in efficiency, right? Next, to coordinate energy efficiency and conservation policy and programs and take it to the stakeholders. Next, to establish system and produce to measure, monitor and verify energy efficiency result in individual sectors as well as at micro level. Next, to leverage multilateral and bilateral and private sector support in implementation of Energy Conservation Act and efficiency of energy and its conservation program. नेक्स्ट जो है टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट डिलीवरी ऑफ एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी सर्विसेज एज मैंडेटेड इन एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन एक्ट, राइट. नेक्स्ट जो है टू इंटरप्रिट प्लान मास एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन प्रोग्राम एज इन द एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन एक्ट. Next, already we have discussed that is star rating. What is, question will ask, what is BEE star rating? Right, in you have seen in the on the fridge there is one sticker like this and there is a star 1 2 3 4 5 and here is written 3 star 4 star, right. This is called as star rating. Star rating are provided to all major kind of appliances in the form of labels. These star rating are given 5 out of 5 star, right, on the energy conservation by of that appliances, provides just a single in a single glance, right. The manufacturer are officially required to put these labels as per the standard and labeling program, right. See here, what is what do you they put these BEE actually वो क्या दिखाते हैं. The prime importance of this star rating is to educate and inform consumers about how energy efficient each product is. This also makes the manufacturer responsible for creating products which are highly energy efficient, as consumers may eventually prefer better rated products, right? So how do they decide the BEE? How do they decide, right? See here, one of the most common type about the BEE star rating is that is solely based on the appliance power consumption. A lot of factors contribute into formulating the final star rating on the product. Although the manufacturer rate and label the product, BEE sets all the standards and norms which need to be followed while rating appliances, right? ऐसा नहीं होता कि कंपनी अपना लेबल लगा देती है, उसके ऊपर BEE का वॉच रहता है. While some category of appliances necessarily have to given a star rating, for others it's optional, right? Appliances which need to have an energy rating label mandatory, right? कौन कौन से appliances mandatory है? That is frost free refrigerator, tubular fluorescence lamps, room air conditioning, distribution transformer, color TV, AC, direct cool refrigerator, electric geyser. These appliances must have star rating, right? The appliances with the lowest energy consumption in the product category are given more stars. Those with the highest energy consumption are given least star, right? There are two variants or two types of star rating. One is big star or big labeling, and second one is small labeling, right? The big energy rating label is aimed at appliances which have constant use and consume more electricity. This label shows additional information such as the yearly energy consumption of the product, brand name, product category, and much more for consumers. This big label is helpful as it allows you to calculate the actual money you would spend in electricity bills for the particular product, right? For example, such products are refrigerator, air conditioner, geyser, and washing machine. Next is small labeling. Small labels can be found appliance which usually don't consume more energy. These labels just give you a visual representation of the energy consumption levels by the showing star rating. Products with the small label: ceiling fans, tube lights, computers, laptop, television. These are the small star rating. The facts about star rating. What are these facts? BEE is a government body set up under the Energy Conservation Act 2001. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency assists the government in developing policies and strategies with thrust of self-regulation and market principle, with the primary objective of the reducing the energy intensity, right, of the Indian economy within the overall framework of the Energy Conservation Act 2001. This is all about the star labeling, right? It is very important to convert, or it is mandatory on the appliances to put the star labeling, and it is depend upon the energy conservation. When energy conservation in any appliances is very good, then it becomes 5-star. And this labeling is upon the amount of energy conservation per year by that appliances. So it is mandatory to all manufacturers, and the norms are set by the BEE. Any manufacturer cannot be directly put the star labeling without obeying the norms, government norms. So friends, this is all about the star labeling and Bureau of Energy Efficiency and Energy Conservation Act. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me on phone. So we'll stop here. In next lecture we'll discuss about the next point, that is Jawaharlal Nehru solar power mission. So thank you very much.